Listen to that. Yeah, buddy. Sweet. All right. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? I have Players Club rewards cards for most local casinos, and every so often they'll send you like a free slot play offer or something like that. And at the moment, I believe if I go to Boulder Station, I think it runs through today, I think I get $5 of free play. And I've got a cash out ticket for $1 or $2 from previous play that I've had there, so I could play with $6 or $7, I guess, of, you know, not really my money. And you know, maybe I'll win. I don't know. Who knows? We're going to see. So to all of you that have been following the channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And a lot of you have got a lot of exciting things happening right now, like Jason in Wisconsin is acquiring quite the scooter collection and just loving it, and I think that's awesome. And Jacob got his Ruckus like a month ago, and he's already got 400 miles on it, and that's incredible. And I love hearing about that. I love seeing your pictures. I love getting your comments. As we're getting closer to the casino, I really think that the free slot play expired yesterday. All right, so my win record on the scooter is 0%. I have been here 3 times previously. Wow, what are they doing here? I have been here 3 times previously on the scooter, and I have lost every time. Now obviously that's just superstition. I mean, there's no science to that whatsoever. Just because I win most of the time on my motorcycle and lose most of the time on the scooter, that doesn't mean anything. It's just a coincidence. Ooh, Suzuki Boulevard. You don't see a lot of those anymore. Or I don't see a lot of those anymore. All right. Plenty of VIP scooter parking today. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna mosey on into the good old... What are they doing over here? Look, what is this? It's like some kind of off-road thing? It's not Mint 400 time already, is it? It couldn't be. Like, what is this? I wasn't expecting this place to be so busy today, man. Look at all this. Some kind of motorsports, off-road... something awesome. All right, okay, so and make sure I go back over here and make sure I got everything I need. Okay, yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go on inside now. I'm gonna get set up, and then I'll click the camera back on and we'll see what's what. Alright guys, so yeah, the free slot play thing did end yesterday, and I should have come here for that before it did. Anyway, I had a $1.50 cash out voucher, and I put in a couple bucks of my own money. I'm playing, I guess, max bet nickels, 40 cents on Ruckus Keno. I picked a few random numbers. I seem to do better that way, I don't know. Anyway, let's see what's what. This is certainly not going well at all, is it? This might be the last spin, and I haven't won anything. Ooh, there we go. Just like that, we're up. Should we cash out? Let's spin a couple more times. Okay guys, this is how much money I started with, so let's just cash out with that. We're not going to get rich playing nickel Keno today anyway. So yeah, that was a fun way to burn about 90 seconds. Well guys, it gives me great pleasure to say that the scooter gambling losing streak has finally come to an end. That's right, I just broke even. I'm leaving with exactly as much money as I came in with. Wow. Holy crap, look at that Raptor, Mega Raptor. Let's go check this out, whatever this is, like whatever's going on over here. Let's go see. Some sort of off-road motorsports event. Is it mid 400 time already? Like, I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know what this is. That Raptor is ridiculous, man. Look at that. Those have got to be 48s? 48-inch tires on that thing? I've always wondered what that little like parking lot fort thing is over there. Looks cool. I need to go through here. I'm not supposed to go this way, but I got a scooter, so I can pretty much do whatever I want, you know? Except go in there. Yeah, I can't quite squeeze around the edges. I am gonna go into one of these do not enter parts though, and take a picture in front of the sign. Okay, well, looks like, well, I guess, yeah, looks like we are going to get to go this way. We're going to sneak right in. Go on ahead, buddy. Alright, let's see what this is. Dirt bikes, side-by-sides, full-on sand rails and buggies. I'm sure I even saw a couple of trophy trucks. Screw it, we're going through. I don't think we're supposed to do this, but this sort of thing doesn't happen all the time around here. And besides, I'm on a Ruckus, so I don't think anybody's gonna even think that I don't belong. This is super cool, man. I'd love to try some of this desert racing stuff sometime. Look at all these things. Just incredible off-road race machines. Awesome. This is it right here. If you get to do stuff like this for a living, you're a winner in my book. Listen to that. Yeah, buddy. Sweet. Looks like that's some sort of tech inspection line. just super cool, man. Yeah, I think that's about as far as we're gonna get, really. So. I couldn't have done all that I just did in a car, that's for sure. I probably couldn't even have done it on my motorcycle. They probably look at this thing and just think that I'm a part of whatever this is somehow, and they don't even mess with me. So yeah, yet another of many reasons to get a scooter. I think we're gonna go ahead and kind of bypass all of this right here. I just got some dirt in my eye. That's not good at all. Whoa, this thing didn't want to stop. Almost rolled right into traffic. I'm trying to think of what else I need. I'm really only here for half a gallon of milk. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Wow, that was close. Did you see that? That truck almost got creamed by that Corolla. Well, guys, I guess that's going to about conclude today's scootering adventure. Wound up being a little more interesting than I had anticipated. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure appreciate you watching. I hope everything's going great for you. And I can't wait to see you next time.